Have you ever wondered what makes your favorite apps and websites tick? What magic formula enables them to perform complex tasks, display engaging content, or even respond to your inputs in real time? Well, that magic formula is not magic at all. It's source code. Source code is the fundamental building block of any computer program or application. It's the recipe that tells the computer what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. If software were a novel, source code would be its first draft, raw and unedited. Now the source code is made up of several components, each playing a unique role in the grand scheme of things. Let's delve into these components, shall we? First, we have the functions. These are the workhorses of source code. A function is a block of organized, reusable code that performs a single related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of code reusing. Think of them as the verbs in the language of source code, driving the action and orchestrating the performance. Then, we have descriptions. These are like stage directions for the functions. They tell the functions when and where to perform their actions. Descriptions are often found in the form of comments, which help other developers understand the purpose and functionality of the code. Next are definitions. As the name suggests, these define the different elements in the source code, like variables and constants. They are like characters in our novel, each with their specific traits and roles. Calls are another important component. A call is a command that triggers a function or a method to run. It's the director yelling action, setting the functions into motion. Methods, on the other hand, are similar to functions, but they are associated with objects and classes. They define the behavior of an object, how it will act or react under certain conditions. Finally, we have the operational statements. These are the lines of code that perform the operations, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. They are the script that the actors, functions, and methods follow. So, to summarize, source code is the backbone of any computer program or application. It's a complex, carefully crafted blueprint that dictates how a program behaves. It's made up of functions that perform actions, descriptions that guide these actions, definitions that outline the elements of the code, calls that trigger functions and methods, methods that define the behavior of objects, and operational statements that carry out the operations. Understanding source code is like learning a new language. It might seem daunting at first, but with time and practice, you'll start to see the patterns and logic behind it. And when you do, you'll unlock a whole new world of possibilities. A world where you can create, innovate, and solve problems in ways you never thought possible. So, the next time you use your favorite app or visit a website, remember the intricate ballet of source code that's happening behind the scenes, making it all possible.